Today we're going to do number 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, and 31. Okay, starting with number 21, which is 2x squared times 2x to the fourth power. So if you look at this separately, you can look at the 2x squared and say, well, what does that mean? That means the 2 gets squared and the x gets squared. And the 2 getting squared is 2 times 2, which results in a 4. The x to the first getting squared results in an x squared. So that's the result of the quantity 2x being squared. The other one, everything is raised to the fourth power. You guys remember what 2 to the fourth is? 2 to the fourth, not 2 times 4. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2.
16.
Good job. And what is x to the first to the fourth power? Good. So now you're left with the product of 4x squared and 16x to the fourth. Find the product of 4 and 16. You should have gotten 64. And x squared, x4. Bases are the same, the x and the x, so you add your exponents. And that's the end of that one. Number 23. You're going to love this one. 10b raised to the third power multiplied by 10b raised to the third power. So what is 10 cubed? 1,000. What is b cubed? Yeah. So this is the result of cubing that. And since the second thing is the exact same thing, you know it's the same answer. Now what's the result of 1,000 b cubed multiplied by 1,000 b cubed? When you're multiplying powers of 10, just combine the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Same base, you add your exponents. B6. Here's 25. 3a squared b to the third power times 2a cubed b. All right. Let's find the result when we cube that first component. 3 cubed is not 9. Yep. A squared to the third power. That's a squared, a squared, a squared. And b to the first 3 times. That's b, b, b. Did you guys say b cubed? This is the result when you cube all of that. This needs to now get multiplied by 2a cubed b. What's the result? Just come up with 54. A to the same base, add your exponents. Yep. And what's the b's? Good. Okay. Just because they get fractions involved doesn't make it any harder or doesn't make it any different. Just makes you have to think a little more. Okay. 1/2 cubed. 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2. This is 1/2 cubed. What's the result? 1/8. P squared 3 times. P squared cubed. Q to the first 3 times. Q cubed. Yep. Okay. 1/8 multiplied by the result of this. 2 to the 4th power. P raised to the 4th power. Q squared raised to the 4th power. No. Q squared to the 4th power is Q2, 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 Q2. Nope. Q2, 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 Q2. Same base, add your exponents. Yeah, add your exponents. It's not Q2 plus 4, it is Q2 done 4 times. Looks like this. Q2 times Q2 times Q2 times Q. Yes. Same base, add exponents. All right. Now your numbers, 1/8 of 16 is what? P6 and P4, same base, add exponents. Q3, Q8. It's 27. 29. 2x squared squared. So the quantity of 2x squared has to get squared. What's the result when we do that? What's 2 squared? X squared squared. X2, X2. The quantity that remains, again, gets squared. What do you get? Keep following the rules that I've taught you. Each piece gets squared. 4 squared is, x to the 4th gets squared. x4, x4. Same base, add exponents. x4, x4. Same base, add exponents. 4 plus 4 is not 6. It's 29. Pull up a little bit there. 3x squared y to the 3rd power multiplied by 2xy. 3